The year of manufacture of this truck is for question, but I would say it's probably about a 1946 model Chevy heavy-duty truck. It's an amazing vehicle. You can see it has a stake body there, huge tires, and it's beautifully finished, red and black, very nicely done. Checking out the engine bay here, it's the overhead valve 6. Oil bath air cleaner. Big, I guess, Western style mirrors. Notice the crank there on the dash. The windshield still cranks out for ventilation. Notice the truck bed has the wooden framing around the sides. Tires look brand new, 20-inch tires. There are dual tires on each side. There's nothing lightweight about this truck. Notice the flooring there. And not sure what that is at the end of the truck. Looks like a winch of some type. Very nice. Big gas tank there. And there you see the interior, nothing fancy, just ultimately useful. Very nice.